Witch. Not all witches are bad. Pumpkin. From pumpkin you can make jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern is a popular thing for Halloween. Skeleton. Some skeletons can dance. Bats. Bats fly on Halloween night and look for food. Ghost. Do you believe in ghosts? Haunted house. A haunted house is a place where paranormal things happen. Candy. Candy is a treat on Halloween day. Scarecrow. Sometimes scarecrows can be rather lovely. Halloween costumes. Frankenstein, Mummy, Dracula. Spider. Spiders have supernatural abilities on Halloween night. Owl. Owls are creatures of the night and hunters. Gravestones. Gravestones are the place where the world of the living can meet the world of the dead. Cauldron. Cauldron is a pot where witches cook the potion. Broom. Broom is a transport of witches. Trick or treat. You say it on Halloween day when you want to get some candies. Candy bag. Zombie. Zombie is a dead person who has been brought back to life. Monster. Crow. Crows are companions of witches. Candle. People always light candles when they celebrate Halloween. Coffin. Skull. Skull is a reminder of human mortality. Witch's hat. Black cat. Black cat is the witch's best friend.